I'm Blue Springs Mayor Carson Ross, and I want to talk to you about an issue very important for our community. The out-of-state motor vehicle sales tax election will be on Tuesday, August 2nd, 2016 ballot. Voters will be asked whether or not to discontinue the collection of the city's sales tax on motor vehicles, trailers, boats, and outboard motors purchased from out-of-state dealers. This is not a new tax. Matter of fact, many Missouri cities have collected these funds for years, including Blue Springs. This funding provides vital city services, including street maintenance, sidewalk repair, and public safety. Today's video will provide you with information about the out-of-state motor vehicles sales tax election. I hope you find this information valuable in helping you make an informed decision on Election Day. Thank you for taking the time to listen and become educated about this important issue that will impact the amount of revenue collected for vital city services in Blue Springs. Please vote on Tuesday, August 2nd.
On Tuesday, August 2nd, voters will be asked whether or not to discontinue the collection of city sales tax on motor vehicles, trailers, boats, and outboard motors purchased from individuals and dealerships other than a licensed Missouri dealer. Voters in several jurisdictions and municipalities across the state will make this decision. Locally, the cities of Independence, Lee Summit, Grain Valley, Oak Grove, Raytown, Lone Jack, Greenwood, and Central Jackson County Fire Protection, to name a few. In Blue Springs, this initiative will be question number 1 on the ballot. What if I vote no? A no vote allows continued collection of existing sales taxes, does not authorize new sales taxes, and helps keep licensed Blue Springs car dealers competitive with car dealers located out of state. What if I vote yes? A yes vote eliminates collection of city sales taxes on motor vehicles, trailers, boats, and outboard motors purchased outside the state or from private individuals, as well as reduces local revenue used to pay for vital city services. Besides the impact of a yes or no vote, there are many questions about the tax from residents. The following are answers to some of those frequently asked questions from residents about the out-of-state motor vehicle sales tax.
Is this a new tax?
No, this is not a new tax. Blue Springs has collected this tax on out-of-state motor vehicles for several years. A Missouri Supreme Court case in 2012, followed by state legislation in 2013, required that cities without a use tax, such as Blue Springs, must receive voter approval by November 2018 to continue sales tax collections on the purchases of these items. And it is important to note that if you're purchasing these vehicles in-state, you automatically pay the sales tax.
How does this tax affect me?
The tax applies to residents purchasing a motor vehicle, trailer, boat, or outboard motors from out of state. Again, similar purchases made in-state will be subject to local sales tax regardless of the vote on this ballot question.
Is there an impact to local car dealerships?
Yes, there is an impact to local car dealerships. The existence of tax creates a level playing field for Missouri dealerships. If the existing tax were to end, Missouri dealerships would be at a competitive disadvantage with out-of-state dealerships.
How much tax revenue is in question?
The sales tax rate you currently pay on a vehicle purchased as a Blue Springs resident is 7.975%. The city's portion of the 7.975% is only 2%. City staff estimates that the budget impact of discontinuing collection of the out-of-state vehicle sales tax is an annual loss of $339,000 beginning in 2018.
What impact could this have on revenues if these taxes go away?
City staff estimates that the budget impact of discontinuing collection of the out-of-state vehicle sales tax is an annual loss of $339,000 beginning in 2018. Services would have to be cut to account for this loss of funding. $169,000 would be removed from the general fund, which provides for a number of vital city services such as police, parks, code enforcement, and inspections. $85,000 would be removed from the transportation fund, which provides services such as street and sidewalk improvements, repairs, street lighting, snow removal, street signs, street sweeping, and tree maintenance. $85,000 would be removed from the public safety sales tax, which supports police operations, including personnel, equipment, and facilities. To recap, on Tuesday, August 2nd, you will have an opportunity to vote on whether or not to discontinue the collection of the city sales tax on motor vehicles, trailers, boats, and outboard motors purchased from other than a licensed Missouri dealer. Voting no allows continued collection of Missouri sales taxes, keeps licensed Missouri car dealers competitive with dealers located out of state, does not authorize new taxes. Voting yes eliminates collection of city sales taxes on motor vehicles, trailers, boats and outboard motors purchased outside Missouri from dealerships and individuals, and reduces local revenue that is used to pay for vital city services.
Thank you for taking the time to listen and become educated about this important issue that will impact the amount of revenue collected for vital city services in Blue Springs. Please vote on Tuesday, August 2nd.